It was a beautiful afternoon on the Little Western on the Amsterdam. Oliver was talking to his best friend Frank from the Osdale Railway. Good afternoon, Frank. Oh, good afternoon, Oliver, said Frank. I suppose you've always been hearing rumors. Well, yeah, chuckled Oliver. Of course it's been rumor central. Ever's been keeping secrets from me. That sounds like it would, said Frank. From what you told me, But anyway, said Oliver, how's the Little Western? how's the... Anyway, Frank, how's the railway going? Oh, it's going fine. Frank, it's not even complaining for once. And Rex, apparently he saw a sign about the famous visitor you having. Well, you mean Scotsman, laughed Oliver. He's one of us now. No, laughed Frank, I don't mean him. Oh, no, I think he didn't like you. Think he didn't like me, said Oliver. You don't mean my... No, you don't mean my brother Dinkin. He lives here. Wait a minute. Tinkin didn't like me. Have you any idea who could it be? Lucy, Frank. That's funny. And the other thing I noticed. The England has a new king. Oh, yes, said Oliver. King Charles III. He's visited before. He has? said Frank. Yes, said Oliver. Why? Well, apparently he's coming for another visit. Wow, said Oliver. Well, that's going to be fun. Yes, said Frank. Well, there's your Venice. Why, thank you, said Oliver, and thank you all for watching. Goodbye.